Kate Schwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new review and packing video for you guys featuring the gorgeous Lily Jade Large Anna backpack. I have it here in the leather and the camel color and it is so pretty, you guys. And not just pretty, it's also very functional. I just took it this past weekend to the zoo and I have, as a lot of you guys know, 3 boys and my husband. So I packed this up for my 3 boys, mostly for my almost 2-year-old and myself. But I do have things in here for the other boys as well, like snacks and things. But this was a great bag for the zoo. And I also have my baby carrier in here along with everything else. If you want to see a comparison video between this and the medium Anna, I will link it right over here for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed that first part of the video where I showed you the large Anna on the body. As you saw there, you can wear this bag as a backpack, you can wear it over the shoulder, and you can wear it crossbody. So first I just want to go over some of the outside features and then I'm going to jump on into the packing portion of the video. Let's get started. So on top here you have a really nice leather grab handle. All Lily Jade bags that are leather are made out of full grain leather. They are super soft and squishy and they smell amazing. So I love, love, love them. So this handle is very nice. It has a really nice space here so you can just grab this and go. I pull this in and out of the car like this all the time and off the ground and things like that, and it's great. Speaking of on the ground, this bag does have metal feet on the bottom. Tipped upside down for you guys. So you have 4 metal feet. This particular color has gold hardware, which I think really complements the camel color. It's really pretty together. The Lily Jade Anna is actually a 2-in-1 bag. So you have 2 separate portions of the bag where you can fill it up. You have the front portion here, which has a lot of pockets. You have one across the front here. You have one across the front here, which is a little bit more of a hidden pocket, but it goes the full length of the front of the bag here, from here down. And then you have this portion here, which opens up halfway and you have pockets inside that you can utilize. And then on the very back of the bag, as you can see, these are the backpack straps, which you can detach and then store them back here and then use the strap that comes with the bag. Right here, this one is what can be used over the shoulder and crossbody. But on the back of the bag, you have this portion that opens all the way up and lays flat. And you can use that as a diaper changing station. You can use it to hold your laptop. There's so many ways you can use this bag and pack it up. So this is just one option, but this is where I keep my baby carrier and I'll show you guys that in just a little bit. Whereas everything else that I have packed up is in the front portion of the bag. But I really like that I can keep things separated so that I don't have to worry about too many things being in the same pocket, if you know what I mean. You also have 2 generously sized pockets on the sides here. I have a baby bottle on this side, and then on the other side I have a swell bottle. So that's a basic overview of the bag, and I really just want to jump in and show you guys how I have it packed up because I really enjoyed using it this way at the zoo this weekend. So let's go ahead and jump in. So in the side bottle pocket here, I actually have a little cup for my son. It's just filled with water. I did want to mention we also brought a stroller with us on this trip, and in the stroller we have a little stroller caddy on the back where you can put drinks and things. So my son's drinks, my 2 older kids, I put their drinks in there. But at first it started out in here, but I don't have them in this video. But we ended up putting them in the caddy. So I do have this drink for my son because I wanted to be able to access it quickly. It got hot there at the zoo. And then on the other side I have my swell bottle. And this is a traveler swell bottle, and I love these and highly recommend this style. And I will link that down below for you guys, as well as everything else that I have in this video. That's literally the only things that I have on the outside of the bag. So I also want to jump into the front pockets first before we go on to the inside. In the very front here, this is a great pocket for storing your keys, even your wallet if you wanted to. I did start with that in there, but then I liked the idea of having my wallet on the inside of the bag a little bit further, just in case somebody decided to get into my pockets back here. In here I have some small set pieces. I have a Jujube small set piece in the forget-me-not print. And in here, I just have a few things for myself. I have some chapstick, lip gloss, hair clips, a mirror, some lotion, and a folding hairbrush in there. Right next to that, I also have another small set piece in ... In here, this is my med kit. If you're at the zoo and you have kids running around, you definitely want to bring one of these with you just in case there's an accident. You never know. So I have Band-Aids, ointment, and things like that in there, as well as some Tylenol and stuff like that for me and my husband. Also down here I have my keys. So I like to have my keys somewhere that I can reach them easily. Sometimes I'll even throw these in the side bottle pockets over here, and it's easier to grab and go if I'm out and about. Looks like I have a receipt down there too. Where is this from? At home, cool. So yeah, you can throw receipts down in there as well. Next, let's talk about that hidden pocket. You have leather zipper pulls, nice smooth zipper. So this pocket is actually really deep, as I mentioned. It goes all the way down the bottom of the bag, so that's about how far it goes up on my arm when it's all the way down at the bottom. This pocket is great for flat things, so I decided to put snacks in here, and they're actually pretty far at the bottom, but I have a fruit pouch for my little guy. I have granola bars for my older two. And then I also have, what else? I have a Fig Newton down there for my little guy as well. And I have a sunblock because the sun has started to come back out. I think that's it. So yeah, there's actually a ton more room in that pocket, but I didn't want to fill this bag up too much because I wanted to be able to fit all the other things I needed on the inside. The next pocket I'm going to go through is this very front one. Okay, let's dive onto the inside. So this is the very front compartment of the bag. As I mentioned, there are 2 different compartments. So in here, I just kind of threw things that I need to grab quickly and easily. So on top here, I have my little guy's jacket. He is going to be 2 next month, can't believe it. And so I have a little jacket here for him, and this just sits right on top. And it was a little chilly at first when we were there this weekend, so I wanted to make sure that we had something at least to start out with before the weather warmed up. So it's always good to be prepared. But this is how I have the rest of the bag. As you can see, this bag has that gorgeous jade lining that I just love the feel of. This fabric is so soft and pretty. I love it. And in here I just have one Lily Jade medium-sized packing case. And then I have a medium set piece by Jujubee, and I have a snack down in the middle. I just wanted to bring one milk with me just in case he needed something a little bit more filling while we were out, so that's for my little guy. So in the medium-sized Lily Jade packing case, isn't this pretty, guys? I love that I can see what I have in there. So in here, I just have my Wipe Pouch 30, which is a wipes case. And then I have 3 size 5 diapers, and then I also have a little baggie dispenser. So that's all I had in there. Then I had the milk right in the middle there. And then I have my medium set piece by Jujubee. And in here I just have a change of clothes for my son. So I have a little shirt all rolled up, some pants, and then a pair of socks down in there as well. And this is basically what it looks like when you don't have anything in the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see okay. But it's got a bit of space. I'd say it's got about 3, maybe, yeah, about 3 inches worth of space in the bottom that you can utilize. And then you also have a leather pulled zipper pocket back here. I don't think I have anything in there right now. It's a very flat pocket, plus filling up the back as much as I did, my carrier is taking up a lot of space back there. So it did push things a little bit more forward, but being able to carry my carrier in here and all this other stuff too is pretty amazing. There's also 2 slip pockets. I have a larger slip pocket and then a smaller one right here. So in this one, I have my Kate Spade Cara wallet, which is not a very thin wallet, so if that helps you know how much you can actually fit in that pocket. Then next to that I have my phone, and I did keep this in my pocket most of the time while I was at the zoo. That is all I have in the very front. Let's move to the back. So in the very back of the bag, you do have a magnetic snap pocket right here, and you can put change pads in here, you can put anything that's flat here, maybe even a blanket if you wanted to. I actually have a throwaway change pad, because when I'm at the zoo, I feel like things are extra kind of dirty, and if I have a throwaway change pad with me, I could just toss it when I'm done with this. So that's what I have back there. And besides that, let's go into the very back compartment. Now I don't know how pretty this is going to be because I just wanted to make sure my carrier was actually going to fit in here. I kind of folded it funny, kind of like that. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, hopefully you guys can see that okay. This is my Lilla Baby All Seasons Complete Mickey Mouse carrier. So what I did was I just kind of folded it to where it was at its flattest, and it filled up the entire back here, but I love it. I think it was awesome. It made things so much easier, and also my carrier doesn't weigh all that much, so it didn't weigh it down too much, the bag. So this is my carrier. Isn't it cute? I will leave a link below for this as well because Lilla Baby makes the best baby carriers ever. I love them so much. They have made our lives so much easier. So I love this carrier. Fit in there great. Other than that, this is what the back of the bag looks like. You have 2 pockets here. This also, like I said, makes a really great diaper changing station. So if you had diapers, wipes, and you could throw your change pad here, or if you're using this as a tech bag for work or something or travel, you actually have a laptop sleeve here that you can use because the back is padded, this is padded, and then you have your strap that can secure the laptop as well. So yeah, this bag has so much going for it, you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you love the Anna as much as I do. If you guys want to see a review and packing video on the medium Anna, just click the link right here and it'll take you straight there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here. Thanks for watching.